you thought about running paid advertising for your boutique business, maybe on Facebook or Instagram? Or maybe you've even tried to pay for a boost, or you've given Facebook some of your money and said, where'd it go? I didn't make it back. All right, well, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through what might be going on with your Facebook ads and give you some of my best tips and tricks on how to run paid advertising on Facebook and Instagram. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I come out with new videos every Tuesday, and all of my videos are for you, a boutique owner who wants to start, grow, and scale their business. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Emily Benson, and I am a business and mindset coach for boutique owners. After working in corporate retail and having my own boutique called The Fashion Truck, I decided to write a book and dedicate my life to helping boutique owners just like you. At this point, I've helped thousands of boutique owners grow from $5,000 a month to $250,000 a month. I want to help you understand how to become more successful in your boutique business, whatever that looks like for you. So let's jump right into Facebook ads and Instagram ads. They're the same thing. First and foremost, they're the same thing, okay? Facebook and Instagram are the same company. Facebook owns Instagram. So when I talk about Facebook ads, I'm also talking about Instagram ads, okay? I'm just gonna pretty much blanket use Facebook ads from here on out. Now, the thing about advertising is you are giving Facebook your money. They need your money. They're a publicly owned company. So you have to be really, really smart when you start to go after paid advertising. You have to really know what you're doing. The bottom line is the way I teach Facebook ads is that you should be making money every time you spend money on ads, period. We're not just spending money to get more likes or spending money for fun. I don't know who would do that. The goal for you with Facebook and Instagram ads is always to be making money. Cool, right? Now, ads won't work unless you have some baseline organic content and a good following. What does that look like? Well, for Facebook, you wanna have at least 500 likes on your page, business page. Groups don't count. If you have more than that, great. The more likes you have, the more success we can have, very honestly, because Facebook has learned who your customer is. Same thing on Instagram, although you do need a little bit more. I usually say between 1,000 and 2,000 follows on your Instagram business account. Guys, we're talking business here. If you don't have business accounts, that's your first problem. Go back and do that first. You do need a baseline of amount of likes and follows, and you really need to have organic content. You need to like be engaged, be posting stuff, actually feel like you're a real business on Facebook or Instagram, whatever you choose. But at the end of the day, if Facebook doesn't see you being active and then you come up and run ads, they're gonna be like, whoa, who are you? What's going on? We don't know your customer, we can't help you. Let's say you have that. Woo, exciting. The next thing you need to have, especially if you have an online boutique or any sort of website that you want to send traffic to from these ads, you need to make sure that you have your pixel installed. Now, a pixel is basically a number that's associated with your Facebook account, your Instagram account, that you put on your website. And what happens is Facebook decides to track people back and forth from Facebook and Instagram to your website. And your website, that number sends information back to Facebook. It's so creepy, but it's like the coolest thing ever because we can learn so much about our audience, retarget them, you know, all the buzzwords about what you should be doing. But here's the deal. If you don't have that pixel installed, Facebook and your website can't talk back and forth to each other. Go and make sure that that pixel is installed on your website after you finish this video. Okay, so let's talk about the difference between boosting or promoting. So boosting is on Facebook, promoting is on Instagram, versus running a real ad, which would be sponsored, okay? I know you've seen this in your feed. I know from a consumer standpoint, you see other people advertise. So start to get really knowledgeable about what other people are advertising, what really draws your eye, and start to notice what things you want to click on. Because to be a good advertiser, you also need to be a great consumer. Now, when you're on your phone and you're scrolling through the app of Instagram or Facebook, you're gonna see places in your account where it says, promote this post, boost this post. Guys, don't do it. That's Facebook saying, give me your money, give me your money. It doesn't work. Boosting or promoting, same difference, just different platforms, is essentially Facebook and Instagram saying, okay, I'm gonna take this post and I'm gonna show it to more people. And I'm going to try to get more likes, try to get more comments, maybe get some shares. But beyond that, I don't need to make you money. My goal is not to send people to your website to actually buy things. It's just to like have more people see it, which in the Emily school of Facebook ads doesn't work. Do you have questions about the difference between this? Are you getting confused? What does actually confuse you about paid advertising? Post your questions down below in the comments. I'm gonna come back, I'll answer your questions, but what are you worried about? What confuses you? Tell me. Okay, so what actually is best practice to create that real ad? Like not use promote, not use boost? Let me tell you. The best way to create ads is to sit down at your computer, use Google Chrome, log in to Facebook Ads Manager through your Facebook account, and actually create an ad. That is best practice on how to do this. You're gonna be able to narrow down your audiences. You're gonna be able to make sure you're not spending too much money. You're gonna be able to target the people that really need to see your ad. That is a key to all of this. A lot of people think, oh, well, if I just get my post to see, 5 million people to see my post, then someone's gonna buy. Not true. The goal with Facebook ads is to be super specific, very, very targeted, and go after the people that we know are most likely to buy from your ads. Because remember, we wanna make money. That's the goal here, right? If we're gonna spend money, we wanna make money. That's what I teach. As you create your ad and you get to that point in the ads manager where you're actually writing copy and putting up photos, you've got to make sure you have great, clear, beautiful photos of your product, that you have thought out the copy and what you're going to write out, and that all your links go directly to the products that you're trying to sell. Okay, that is how we actually can see conversions. The goal is conversions. Get that person to click on your ad, go to your website and buy, and then make you money. Personally, it's taken me years and hundreds of dollars, really thousands of dollars, to learn how to run effective Facebook and Instagram ads for myself and my boutique owner clients. What I've done is I've created a course called Facebook Ads in a Weekend. My intention with creating this was to say, okay, you have a weekend, you have 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours to spend to start creating ads that actually make you money. Let me show you how to do it. I give you all my tips, all my shortcuts. There's no fluff, there's no BS in this. I go right to the point, and you should have your first ad running probably in the first 4 hours or less if you're quick. If you want to learn more about that course, it's a great low price. We have the link below, or you can head on over to facebookadsinAweekend.com and you get all the information there. If you'd like to stay here on this journey through boutique land with me, I'd love for you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I want to help you more, so stay here with me.